Alright, today we're featuring a 2015 Ford Fiesta SE. It's got 31,000 miles on it. It's tuxedo black in color. It's got a clean Carfax, 2 previous owners. Alright, we'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. Alright, it does have the turn signals in the side mirrors. Driver's side's in really good shape. Rear of the vehicle looks good. Make our way down the passenger side. It does have the alloys, brand new set of tires on here. Once again, it's a 2015, 31,000 miles, clean Carfax. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, got the black on black door panels, got your power mirrors here, power windows, power locks. Alright, black cloth seating, driver's seat's in good shape. Carpet down here is nice and clean, no staining. It does come with a keyless entry key fob. Okay. It's got your auxiliary power outlet here. All right, let me turn on the light here and see if we can. Well, that didn't work. I'll show you that in a second. But it does have the Microsoft sync. Okay. It is an automatic. Climate controls right there. AM, FM, CD player. Okay. Leather wrapped steering wheel, got your cruise control here, steering wheel audio and Bluetooth right there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. It's got 31,400 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, go ahead and show you the radio display. Okay, scroll back down, we got the AM, FM, CD player. Okay, then once again, got your got your climate controls right here. Okay, heated seats on both sides. It is an automatic. Alright, this is what I was going to show to you earlier. Alright, it's got the illuminated cup holders, illuminated dash right there. Okay, and it does, one more thing I want to show you. It does have the 12 volt here, USB, auxiliary, and Microsoft sync. Okay, let's go ahead and hop out and take a look in the back seat. Alright, door panels back here look good. Carpet back here is nice and clean. It's got another power outlet down here. Okay, let me go ahead and walk around and open up that passenger door. I want you to be able to see everything that I'm describing here. This black interior sometimes gets a little dark. Here we go. Alright. Carpet back here nice and clean. Seats look good. No problems at all there. Go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a look at the trunk space. Alright, carpet back here nice and clean. I'll step to the side. You can really see how much depth you got. There's a ton of room in this Fiesta. Alright, let's take a look at the wheels and tires. We've got, let's see, 15-inch alloys. Okay. Brand new set of tires. Alright, once again, it's a 2015 Ford Fiesta SE, 31,000 miles on it. This thing's in great condition inside and out. Clean Carfax, okay? Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.